one of the services that you guys offered that I thought was pretty interesting was the OTC offerings that you guys have with a published list at $249 a month for most quantities, which is a much lower price than a customer is going to find for any of these OTC items, shopping retail for any of these items. So I thought it was pretty interesting that you have that published list and how that has been received. And then how does that actually work at the pharmacy level? Is that something you're buying in bulk? Are you selling these as white labeled or how do these OTC items work?
Yeah, that's a really good question. I'm glad you brought that up. So that is actually for our long-term care residents. So we probably need to make that a little bit more clear. So
Sure.
come into our community pharmacies we offer that to all of our long-term care residents, and of course their POAs and caregivers, things like that, to just make it affordable, because it's long-term care residents, their family members are buying big stock bottles at Costco and King Supers, Walmart, wherever, and bringing it in, and there's just a ton of logistical challenges with that for the staff at those long-term care communities. And so it's like, hey, let's just do this. It's basically break even for the most part. It's safer. We can blister card it so that way residents stay compliant, and it's easy for the nursing staff and things like that. So nothing on the community side. We have aggressive pricing with our retail OTC offering just to compete against everybody else, kind of thing.
Yeah, what a great offering in the LTC space, though, because like you said, the fish oil, you can imagine having those giant containers for so many different patients, and those OTC items that maybe wouldn't be included in those blister packs. It's a great idea to have those offerings in that format. One of the things that I thought was really cool too is that you guys have so many different resources on the website just to find out about the services and even compare the value of other pharmacies, other pharmacy offerings to the Good Day pharmacy offerings. And I thought that was a really cool kind of breakdown that you guys have, the true value comparison chart, and then just information on your diabetes training, on your MedSync program, and how you can sign up for the adherence packaging online. Just a lot of resources, a lot of, really great visibility right there on the website.
Thanks. Yeah. We're trying. And like most independents, you offer a ton of stuff and things that you think make a difference. And I'm most proud of our day pack programs. That's what we call our adherence packs, the strip packaging. Our teams are just phenomenal. I mean, the level of care that those patients receive that are on that day pack program is just crazy. With dose changes, duplications, patients wanting certain meds in the pack and not in the pack, like we have some Slack channels and teams work together, and there's just a lot of collaboration. And it's like MedSync is great, and MedSync is awesome for, of course, us, the doctor, and the patient. But that day packs is like next level, where you're just totally helping that patient manage their meds, empower them, make sure everything is correct in there, what time of day you're taking it. And it's wild to, as a pharmacist, to check a prescription and, hey, take one tablet by mouth nightly. And the patient's like, no, I take this every morning. I want it in the 8 a.m. slot. You're like, wait, no, you need to be taking that at night because it's working out overnight, or, so it just opens up a lot of opportunity to engage with patients and make a difference. And sometimes the dosing doesn't matter, but sometimes it does. And when they tell you when they're taking it, that is so, so valuable. So if anyone's, contemplating offering a adherence program, or a strip packaging program, or dispill, or even just manual blister cards, you're going to get a lot more information from your customers, and it's going to be valuable to you, and then therefore valuable to them.